Alright people, got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way. Okay, ladies and gents, boys and girls, we are back with another one. It's all about a Be Like Mike. You see that here? You see that? That's the jump man. The Be Like Mike series, part 2, episode 2. If you are a sneakers head, you know you're in the right place. We are going to be chasing the Jordans, the one that he was wearing during his career. Other than that, make sure to like the video, share the video, and if it's your first time out here, do the right thing, sub to the channel, talk among yourself about what we do out here. We love you all here and we love your support. Guys, check out the first video. Alright, this is the second one. Without further ado, let's get down to business. What's inside the box, that's what we're here for. Shoe game. Let's open this bad boy. My little unboxing knife, if we can call it like that. So guys, I'm not into the long story. You know how we do it out here. We just open the box and talk about the good stuff. Okay, nobody's pretending anything here. Now remember one thing, it's all about foldability. Okay, all about the cost effectiveness of these things. Pop this open. Woo! We're about to open this box. Let's see what's inside the box. What's inside the box? That's what we're here for. So, what's inside the box? So let me just talk to you a little bit about the box first. That's what you gotta be looking for. The marble looks, okay, on your box. The Jumpman. Just a second, guys. We'll do that again. Jumpman. Side of the box. Right here you have your details, you know, the size, the shoe size, and so on and so forth, where the shoes are made. Okay, and on the other side you get a Jumpman. Right here, the whole trademark themes, carry on. Okay, so these are the signs that you need to be looking for. Make sure that you gain the right authentic trainers, authentic things that you be paying for. All right, guys, let's not get too excited. Ooh, what are these? Are there the number? Are there the number 4? Oh, this looks good. What does it say here? L Jordan, Be Like Mike. Guys, I'm telling you right about now, this is pretty lovely. Woo, look at the bottom, man. Check out the bottom, man. Okay, this is taking me back to them days, you know, back into the 90s, you know, we start rocking these back in the days, in the 90s, the authentic one, by the way, no retro. Whew, look at the tongue. I'm gonna give you more shot about the whole thing. So out of the box, you should be expecting all these gadgetries, okay, all these sweet techs, training techs. I will be showing you more. So let's just carry on doing what we're doing. Okay, this looks good. Woo, let me just do the smell test. Woo-hoo-hoo. Listen, this smells fresh. Real leather, real suede. This is what you're paying for. The quality. That's the second pair, by the second shoes. Let's have a look at it. This thing look pretty nice. This look nice. Look at the colors, vibrant. Okay, pure vibrancy. The camo. Oh man, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. That's what I'm talking about. That is what I'm talking about. You know, that is what I'm talking about. So what's inside the box? That's what's inside the box, guys. Okay, this time we are pretty much missing that never mind the buttocks. That's what's inside the box. All right, I'm gonna show you the shoes. I'm gonna put the shoe back on here. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you a series of shots of the shoes in depth. There is a more history to these shoes. Double check on our channel if you want to know more about it. Okay, we got a whole bunch of history there, but this is dope. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, easily 3 to 4 tone, different materials, rubber, transparent rubber, which go all the way to the bottom. You can see the Jumpman beneath. On top of that, the bubbles. Okay, this bit right here allows your feet to breathe. Okay, low vent. So this, if I'm correct, is after a spit wall plane. This design is inspired from it. There you go. You know, got a tech of back in the days in terms of your shoelace. This how they're rocking it. Got a jump in there. I hope you can see it right there. More trademarks. Jumpman on the tongue. Couple of stylish way of fastening your shoelace. A lot of tech from back in the days. Okay, loads of tech at the back. Pretty simple. Air 23 for Jordan's shirt, his jersey. Okay, I love the whole little pump right here. You know, the pump style. We call that a pump style. Okay, so it's pretty dope. It's pretty, straightforward. It's something that I'll definitely recommend. Okay, I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna leave all the links right down below for you to, if you're interested, just go ahead and get yourself one. They're pretty neat, especially for the price that they're going for. Pretty affordable. Okay, pretty affordable. I'm gonna show you the inside of the shoes in just a second. So let's get down to business. Just press this bit, and there you go. Your shoelace will be open. Okay, so you're great with this bit to keep your shoes nice and straight, so you don't lose the style or the shape. Take that out. Normally we should have the Jordan logo. If it's a real Jordan, you have the Jordan logo on this pattern. The pattern will be on these bits on the cardboard, so you can see it. It's right there. Looking pretty good. Inside, your usual stickers. The brand is inside. You got your Be Like Jordan right here. What else have we got? Got a couple technical, shoes thing in there, but you get a point. It's pretty comfortable, by the way. I'm gonna be putting them on in a bit, so you can take this out. You can take them out if you don't feel comfortable with them for some reason. You can take them all out. Well, other than that, that is pretty much what it is. I'm gonna be rocking them out. So you've got some labels, more labels inside, by the way. I hope you can see the labels in there. You see, got a little bit, some more labels in there. So yeah, leave all your comments right down below. Tell us what you think about these shoes. and if it's something that you like to see yourself with, pretty dope. I like the colors. It's not too flashy. It's not too flashy. I like the colors. Yeah, so I'm gonna put that on, and we'll see how this goes. Other than that, make sure to thumbs up the video. You know how we do it out here already. Okay, thumbs up the video, share the video if it's any useful to you. We love you all here and we love your support. So I'm gonna rock this, take them outside, test them out for you on feet, sorry. And yeah, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Yeah. It's all about a shoe game right now. Shoe game. Jordans, Be Like Mike Part 2. Remember that. Check us out for more.